The bottom screws are blocked with dirt. I need to clean them out before we remove the screw so we don't strip it. Out they come. Now we pry open the screen and unscrew the bracket holding the cables into the motherboard. Remove the screen, and then remove the earpiece speaker from the old screen. Take off the protective plastic and install the earpiece to the new screen. Now it's time to remove the old water seal from the frame, clean the frame, and then install a new seal. Now install the new screen and test.
Success!
Install the bracket, close up the phone, and install the bottom screws.